This is my Samsung S7, and I'm going to show you how to install the LineageOS Android 14 custom ROM. So I'm going to put it in flight mode. The first thing I need to do is to go to the configurations. I need to go to About, Phone. I need to press the software version here. And I need to press the build number 7 times. In my case, it's already enabled, but if it's not, it would show up this developer option. I go here and I need to activate this option, OEM unlock. In my case, I also have the USB debugging, so I will leave it on. And in my case, I have the stock ROM. The stock ROM is the Android 8.0, Samsung Experience 9, and Android patch level from 2020. So the reason I'm going to upgrade it's because YouTube Revanced hasn't been working properly and I cannot install the latest version. I don't have any other chance other than upgrading the Android version. I've also removed my accounts. I don't have anything anymore. Everything is cleared. You can do a full reset if you want, but I don't think it's required. Turn it off, remove the SD card and the SIM card. Yeah. The adapter, because we need to copy some files here. Okay, so let's search for the firmware page. Here it is, Android 14, LineageOS, in XDA. Oh, and we download the NIC-G apps. I'm going to download the core version, so releases, I think. Android 14, the latest version. And here you have stock, full. The full has almost all the Google apps, but it's too large for the S7. In my case, I'm going to install the core. It's it's the minimal version. It only has the Play Store. It doesn't have Chrome, for example. The problem with installing everything is that the applications stay resident and they keep running in the background. So I prefer to install, for example, Google Maps or Chrome later and not have them resident. So, okay, I save this. Folder. 7 home. I already have the SD card, so I'm downloading directly to the SD card. Then we go back to the page, and what else do we have? GitHub releases for this ROM, the Android 14 LOS. So I'm going here, HeroLTE, and Lineage 21. Save this. Now, make sure you are using the latest TWRP. So I need to install this on my phone first because I don't have it. So let's search for official TWRP releases. Let's search for the HeroLTE. TWRP for HeroLTE. Okay, and for example, this one seems to be the latest. Click here to start on. Okay. So I have the G apps, I have the ROM. There is another tool that we need to download. It's called Odin. And sometimes you also need the Samsung drivers. So download Odin 3.13, for example. I don't know which version they are recommending, but this is what we need to flash. In my case, I already have another version, and I already have the Samsung drivers installed on this laptop. Okay, I already have everything ready, so I'm going to search for the installation guide to installing TWRP, S7, and here it is, basic guide to installing TWRP, root, ROM. Okay, so what do we need? On the PC we download the Samsung drivers, the TWRP. I won't need root. I'll try without root first. I don't think it's necessary and it might cause issues with my banking apps. So put a micro SD card, insert it into your PC, then copy the ROM download to the SD card. Open Odin and put the TWRP file on the AP section. So this is what we are going to do now. So this software called Odin from Samsung. Please be sure to delete your Google account, Samsung account before downloading. I already did this. So the AP file, it's this part here, and I'm going to add here the TWRP. Okay, the software was not opening the unzipped file, so I had to download the other file, the first one, .tar, not the .img. So let's continue. HeroLTE img.tar. All right, here it is. And now, power off your device and boot into Odin mode. Volume down, home button, and power at the same time. Volume up, and let's press start. Odin mode, download speed fast, Samsung official, secure download enabled. Right, so something turned on here. Now press the start on the computer and keep your fingers on phone. The moment the screen goes black, press and hold the power while keeping on your fingers. Okay, I'm going to press start. It's resetting. And this time I'll keep pressing the... All right. And now keep read only. This is what... Okay. There we go. Now it worked fine. So let's continue the process. Okay, it says here on the tutorial that I need to press wipe. And what do I press wipe and then press format data. I need to type yes to continue. You may need to reboot to use the data again. So press swipe and format data. Do not swipe reboot. You'll get your stuck in a boot loop. Press the TWRP home icon instead. Maybe this one? Yeah. Okay. Okay, now I need to press reboot, this option, and then press recovery. That's what it seems. Reboot, recovery, and this will complete the TWRP installation. Never show this again. And swipe to allow modifications. All right. Now I need to insert my micro SD card with the downloaded files. Okay, let's insert the SD card. Okay. And next, press wipe, then press advanced and check cache. Then wipe, advanced, and I need to press and check cache and Dalvik cache. Cache and Dalvik hard cache. Okay. And then press the TWRP home icon. So, do I need to swipe or not? It doesn't say. And swipe, yes. Okay. And now press install. And I need to navigate to the SD card. The problem, I need to select storage, micro SD, and now I sent the files in Windows to this folder, and I'm going to install LineageOS and just this option. Succeeded. Now I'm not going to reboot. Now I'm going to install the GApps. So install GApps core, swipe to confirm flash. Google Services Framework, Calendar, GMS core. Okay, done. So what should I do next? Okay, now that this is done, it should be ready. So I need to press wipe cache Dalvik. Swipe to wipe. Okay, and now swipe to reboot system or press reboot system. Okay, I'm going to remove it from the PC. It was just to make sure that it didn't run out of battery. And yeah, it's already booting to the LineageOS. You click live when you first boot, you can install nice applications. Select some data. I'll say skip. Location services. Allow it. Updates violence recovery on first boot, subsequent to every update. Okay, I'm using TWRP, so I won't press this update violence recovery alongside the OS. I'll keep it the way it is. Next. LineageOS features, how to improve. Diagnostics can be used to identify maintenance like battery performance. No, I don't want to waste mobile data. Use screen navigation keys. I don't want this. Show screen lock. Okay, I don't want any lock, but I don't have that option, so let's choose this. Choose the pattern size. Yeah, 3x3. Setting up my fingerprint.
how it works. You're in control, so I agree, touch the sensor, then press next. I'll keep the dark theme, and I think we are ready to start the operating system after the configuration. So start, and yeah, there we go, updated. Where are the settings? Oh, it's here. About phone, Android version 14. LineageOS Unofficial, HeroLTE. Okay. Uptime. So I heard that the developer is working on Android 16 right now, LineageOS 23.2, but at the moment this is the latest available in May 2026. So yeah, that's it.